Hey, I'm Heyman, physical education teacher. Now I'm presenting a small portion in the chapter cricket. The famous game cricket is played using ball and bat. It was a popular game in 13th century in England. The first major official match was played between the teams Kent and the Middlesex in 1714, and the rules were framed in the year 1744. The famous game cricket is played in three formats. First is Test from 1844, second is One Day, which is restricted for 50 overs from 1975, and the third one is 2020 from 2007. There are 11 players in each team who play alternately on the elliptical field. There is a rectangular pitch located between the stumps in the middle of the ground, and the choice of batting or fielding is determined by a toss. Now I'll come to the major equipments used in the game cricket. The first one is bat, ball, wickets or the stumps, and the bails. I know usually bails are placed on top of the wickets, but for our convenience I have written it here. Now I'll come to the measurement of these equipments. Okay. Now bat, length of the bat from here to here. Length of the bat is 38 inches and widest part, this is the widest part of the bat is 10.8 centimeter. Length is 38 inches and breadth is 10.8 centimeter. Now I'll come to the ball. The circumference of the ball, this is the circumference, that is 9 inches, and weight of the ball is 156 gram 5.5 ounce. 5.5 ounce is nothing but 156 grams. Okay. Now I'll come to the wickets or the stump. Length of the stump is 28 inches and breadth of the stump is 9 inches. Breadth is nothing but the measurement between first wicket to the third wicket, that is 9 inches, and length is from top to bottom, that is 28 inches. Now I'll come to the measurement of the bails. Okay. So measurement of a single bail is 11 centimeter. This is the measurement, but I have some trick to remember few measurements. Okay. Firstly, I will come to the bails. Usually we will place a bails in x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. If I place it in a y-axis, it looks like a number 11. Bails looks like a number 11, so we can easily remember it's 11 centimeter. Okay, which is 11 centimeter. Now I will come to the stumps. So first is breadth of the stump, that is 9 inches, 3 wickets. So simply I will multiply by 3. So that is 9, which is equal to 9. So is 9 inches. Breadth of the stump and circumference of the ball is similar. See, this is also 9 inches. So circumference of the ball and breadth of the stump both are similar, that is 9 inches. Now I will come to length of the stump. We have 3 wickets and breadth of the stump and the length of the stump. How to remember this length of the stump? Length of the stump is 3 times of breadth of the stump. So I will multiply 9 by 3, which is 27, and simply I will add 1. So that is equal to 28. So length of the stump is 28 inches. These are the few tricks to remember some measurements, but any cost you have to remember length of the bat, breadth of the bat, and weight of the ball. And remaining measurements you can remember very easily. Now we are coming to the final part of the presentation, that is playing field. Consider this is the pitch. We have placed 3 wickets at the one end and the 3 wickets at the another end. Now just imagine bowler is coming from this way to bowl and batsman is standing here. We think this is the bowling crease, but which is actually not. The wickets are placed on the line is called the bowling crease, and the line which is in front of the wickets is called the popping crease. Okay. Now these two lines are called return crease, which is next to the wide lines. Now let us come to the measurement of the pitch. Okay. This is length of the pitch between the stumps, that is 20.12 meter, and this is breadth of the pitch, that is 3.66 meter. This is length of the pitch between the wickets, and this is breadth of the pitch. Now this is the measurement between bowling crease and the popping crease, that is 1.22 meter. Again, this is the measurement from bowling crease to extension of the pitch, that is 1.22 meter. Now this is length of the length between the return creases, that is 2.64 meter. I know this is very tricky to remember all this measurement, but I have some tricks to remember all these measurements. To make your work easier, I have an interesting way to remember all these measurements. Let us play cricket together. We have a pitch. Now the major requirements are 2 bats and 1 ball, 1 bowler and 2 batsmen. So this is length of the pitch between the stump, that is 20.12 meter. 2 bats, 1 ball and 1 bowler and 2 batsmen. Now, to measure this distance from bowling crease to popping crease, that is 1.22 meter. This bowling crease and popping crease is specially meant for the bowler. So first preference goes to the bowler, and now bowler is going to bowl from one side. Either of 2 batsmen is going to face the ball, that is 2 batsmen. Now to give the judgment, we have 2 on-field umpires, that is 1.22, 1 bowler, 2 batsmen and 2 on-field umpires, that is 1.22 meter. This is the distance between the bowling crease and the popping crease, which is similar to the bowling crease and the extension area of the pitch. Now this part, the ball has been bowled. We expect either of the 2 batsmen to hit the boundaries, that is 6s and 4s, 2.64 meter. This is the distance between the 2 return creases. Now we left out with the third umpire and the crowds. Third umpire and the crowd. So now crowd is going to cheer the batsman to hit the 6s. So this is 3.66 meter, which is breadth of the pitch. So this is the easier way to remember the measurement of the playing field of the cricket. Till now we have learned few things about cricket. To learn more about physical education in an interesting and easier manner, you can approach me without any hesitation. I'll try to bring new and interesting ideas to make your learning easier. Stay safe, stay fit. Thank you.